Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how the Odoo website minimum order quantity module works. Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions for increasing the sales of your e-commerce store, then you can visit store.webkul.com and explore our number of products for every technology. We also have the user guide for the same in our blog sections, from where you can check the features and configuration and get to know the functionality of the extensions as well. Now, let's move back to our video. After installing the module, go to Sales, click on the Product menu, and select Product. Now open any product. Here, you will find an option to set the minimum order quantity, which is also called MOQ. Now, enter the minimum quantity required for this product and click on the Save button. Now let's check how it works in the backend. For that, go to Order menu, click on Quotation, and click on New to create a new quotation. Now add the same product to the order line. If the quantity entered is lower than the configured MOQ, then on saving it, the system will show a warning message that the minimum order quantity for the product is 10, so the user can only proceed with the minimum order quantity or more than that. So here we will select the quantity as 10 and click on the Save button. Now our quotation gets saved. Now let's move to the website. For that, go to the Website module, open the Shop page, and select the product. Here, you will notice that the minimum quantity is automatically added by default. Now, if the customer tries to reduce the quantity below the minimum limit, then a warning message will appear, which helps prevent the customer from placing the order below the required minimum quantity. So once the quantity matches the MOQ or is greater than that, then the customer can successfully add the product to the cart and continue with the checkout. And that's how the Odoo website minimum order quantity module works. And that's all about the functionality of this module. I hope you like it. If you have any queries, please contact us at support@webkul.com or raise a ticket at webkul.uvdesk.com. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.